Ubenduliwe ngombuzo wobubuzo wesifazane enkundleni zokuxhumana ukuthi ukuthi uPresident Jacob Zuma ithemba kangaki i-MK wayefuna ukubuyela ku-ANC kuyiqembu elifanayo. Ubesephendula uPhilani Buthelezi oyilunga lomkhonto wesizwe lokuqina ngokuthi uPresident Jacob Zuma njengoba efuna ukubuyela kwi-ANC nje hhayi ngoba i-MK ihluleka noma ingenzi kahle. UNxamalala yena uzama ukulwa impi ende akade aqala ukuyilwa kuze kube yimanje.
Ngane zakwethu, yazi ama-comment afana nalawo. We are not actually obliged to respond, but we respond because there are people abangenayo la yabo abafike bafunda ama-comments nje kuphela baphinde bayiphumele, and when they see a comment like this they end up believing whatever this comment is saying. Kanti lo no uzuzu nje lo oyizondela ubaba uNxamalala nozondi MK nozonda amaZulu nje at large, because this tribal thing wafethu is very dangerous. Uyabona masingena thina la ku TikTok sangama MK sikhuluma ngobumbano lwabantu abamnyama. Ubaba uNxamalala ushumayela indaba yokuthi ama progressive parties ahlangane. Ungayishumayela indaba okuhlangana ube unenzondo. Uma uthi akuhlangana ama-parties ahlukahlukene, obviously kuneyinhlanga ezihlukene lapho. So can you do that uma ngabe ukuthi, because uma ngabe ucwasa ngokwebala angazi ukuthi mhlambe thina kwaZulu indlela esi-understanda ngayo ukucwasa ngokwebala ifani nendlela kwaXhosa bayi-understanda ngayo. I always see this thing from some people from the Eastern Cape ukuthi thina masikhuluma la sishumayela ubumbano lwabantu abamnyama, singathi Zulu, sithi abantu abamnyama, abantu abathile from the Eastern Cape bona they come here and say bona they won't be part of into enamaZulu okanye nabantu abacwasa ngokwebala or ngokobuhlanga. I mean, who actually is tribalistic between us and you, because thina we don't have a problem calling you, siyasho ukuthi asinankinga thina namuntu, sithanda wonke umuntu wakithi omnyama. Wena kodwa ufuna ukuthi thina siyakucwasa wena, kodwa thina sikubiza. Like, where is sense in that? So but ke uzuzu bafethu ilelo hlobo lwabantu kungafika abantu laba bamtshela lezinto ezinegative ngoba uNxamalala bamtshela ukuthi hayi we made a mistake okanye sasinamanga. Ubaba uNxamalala akasiyo lento esasisho, zonke lezi zinto sasiyireport ngoba sithunyiwe. The very same Zuzu will never accept ubaba uNxamalala. He will continue hating ubaba uNxamalala because it's embedded emzimbeni wakhe, this thing yenzondo. Inzondo yakhe is not just about ubaba uNxamalala, but ubaba uNxamalala njengomholi ogqamile ophuma eKZN. So sekuzobe ngathi iqondene naye ngqo ubaba uNxamalala, kanti cha, iqondene nawo wonke umuntu ophuma eKZN owumZulu. So that's the problem we have ngabantu abafana noZuzu, because uma ngizontshela nje ubaba uNxamalala ukufuna kwakhe ukubuyela kwi-ANC akuhlangene ne-MK ukuthi MK ayenzi kahle wakayithimbi nani, but ukufuna kwakhe ukubuyela ku-ANC, ubaba uNxamalala is the only man ever since he became president who stood between i-ANC yangempela as well as abantu base-Stellenbosch labo kuyibona abarule eSouth Africa. He is the only person. Okay, then he was supported by some in the ANC who are still against it, who still want ubaba uNxamalala to be in the ANC, because la bantu laba akuyibona abasihlupha eSouth Africa, abafuna sihlale sidingile, sihlale sihluphekile. It's not easy for them ukuthi bazenzele umathanda njengamanje ku-ANC ubaba uNxamalala while he is part of ANC. But I know ukuthi abantu abanjengoZuzu, they don't know that. They don't even understand what am I saying now. They don't know ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani, because all they know is the propaganda that is spread all over. ever since ubaba uNcamalala fighting for you Zuzu, fighting for me. So why would he turn his back now against Tina? Ubaba uNcamalala is fighting impi ende akayiqala wena ungakazalwa. Usayilwa namanje. He is the only person who is not afraid to come and say this is not right. This is not right. Ubaba uNcamalala kukhulunywa izinto eziningi ngaye. Ngeke ngizwe nalabo ama Red Beret bethi bamnikeza u6% wakhe for ukubuyisa umhlaba. Wayengeke uNcamalala ubuyisa umhlaba neEFF, iqembu lakhe lingamsupport lokho. So but because abantu kulula ukuthi ubatshela umsangano bawukholwe. Kulula ukuthi hayi we gave him 6%. What was he going to do with your 6%? Ubaba uNcamalala, does he possess anything yena as a person? How much percentage did he possess ngaleso sikhathi yena as a person? Ukuthi angathatha ke le percentage yakhe yena kanayo ayihlanganise neEFF bese buyisa umhlaba. He only possessed I percentage ye-ANC as a whole that is against indaba okubuyiswa komhlaba. You cannot come here and lie. Sikhona guys, we know ukuthi senzani la. Sikhona. You cannot come here and lie bese nifuna ukuthi sithule. Ubaba uNcamalala is the only president in esimaziyo who fought for us. From a figure wathi mayebheka idocument kuma ARVs, what is this thing abantu bayayidinga wasayini. Ziningi izinto akazenzile bafethu. Wafika kunezinto ezimile ku-infrastructure kungabi nayo inqubekela phambili wathi akusetshenzwe. Nazi izikolo wathi azakhiwe. University wathi akusetshenzwe. Kuningi. Even eScom wathi hey bafethu zamani indlela lapha eScom ukuthi lento le ye load shedding iphele, finish, and they fought yaphela. Why? Because lento wathola even lento eBRICS what this thing is very good, this thing we want it, we need it in fact. And what? So and then abantu they will come here and tell us izinto abangazazi. Ku-ANC ngihlale ngisho lento ngithi there is no president who will come and implement into ezophazamisa iStellenbosch. Akekho enizomthola ku-ANC. Akekho njengamanje, akekho enizomthola. You can take noma ubani nangu wenu njengamanje uyanibonisa, but you are in denial because why? The only person that you are told ukuthi is a sellout ubaba uNcamalala. How can you sell out? What are you selling out if ukuthi izinto ezi-interest ye-country yakho you want to make sure ukuthi ziyenzeka, and then lezi ezingasi-interest ye-country yakho or izinto ezi-compromise i-country yakho ezicindezela i-country yakho yizo that you want to chuck away, then how are you a sellout kanjani? Ngiyafisa ngathi ngakhuluma izinto eziningi but angeke ngikwazi ukuzikhuluma, but ngizama ukunivezela nje ukuthi lo mqondo lo kalo Zuzu uqhamukapi. Abantu badinga ukuthi sibafundise ngani zakwethu la, sibabonise ukuthi ubaba uNcamalala njengamanje nango Trump uthola ngapha ngithi bazokhuluma something Joe Biden ku public domain ngapha benza okunye emakhoneni, and then uTrump wenzani makafika yena ufika uyayilungisa lento ukuthi ayiphele lento yempi eMiddle East. Laba bebekukhuluma ngapha ukuthi engathi bafisa iphele, but at the back bayenza izinto ezirong just like they are doing in the ANC. Babeza ngapha bazothi usuma bakhuluma zonke izinto, babeya ngale bona bayazi ukuthi yiba ababhizi babulala iANC babulala iCountry. So we need to talk about this thing. Asinayo enye indlela manje. We need to tell people kahle kahle ukwenzakalani. Kahle kahle we need to be given permission to tell people ukwenzakalani eSouth Africa so that abantu they know. Nalo ongazi ngempela ngoba bakhona abangazi ngempela abalalela yonke imbudane ekhulunywayo la, but iqiniso lithi iqiniso ubaba uNcamalala is on the side of the people. Whether you like it or you don't like it, we don't care, but that is the truth. Ubaba uNcamalala is on the side of the people.